One day, you'll make some important choices. Choices that'll shape your entire future. Choices that can build or break your dreams. Like choosing your stream in class 11. Choosing whether to prepare for JEE or NEET. Choosing whether to take a drop year or not. Choosing whether to give up or keep fighting. How do we make the right choice? By finding the right mindset. By seeking the right mentor. By setting the right goal. And ultimately, by discovering your true potential. Test yourself and get a chance to become a national champion with MVSAT.